Welcome back to the 1968 Camino Rebuild. This is video 2 of today's triple header. Today's triple header consists of video 1, which is interior, video 2, bodywork, video 3, which is getting everything driving like motor, brakes, exhaust, etc. So this series was for the rest of Thanksgiving, but I missed some of it. Well, I missed certain things, so I couldn't go to the deadline. So it's going to be everything from that series. So let's start with video 2. The first two things I'm doing to this car is body work and alignment. So I started body work on these first two. Well, like I did it, the paint was good, but body work wasn't all that. Like you could see how it was all like wavy right here. So I'm gonna straighten everything out 100%. Everything 100%. So I'm gonna start with these two. Before I do my alignment, I put these weather strip seals on the inside of the doors, both doors. Get the door aligned first, then the fenders, then the hood, then this front piece. Then I can finish all the body work. You can see a lot of little waves in it, like right there, right there, right there. Right there, right there. Gotta do basically the whole car, not the whole car. The hood, good. This fender brand new. I ain't done this. The hood, good. Doors, touch-ups, little touch-ups on both doors. Hood, good. Touch-up on that fender, nothing on this fender. This whole thing, gotta sand it down flat. Whole thing sand down flat. It's not gonna be perfect because I figured, well, I've been new, but this car was wrecked. And then they welded a panel somewhere right here, and they did it wrong. So this hole from like here this way, it's not really lining up right. Most of the bond I put on the car, it come off anyways. This how it's gonna be. This whole bunch of sand. I gotta transfer all the parts of this and just cords and everything and put it on a brand new one, so I can put this on the car.
Rust and heat. Rust don't like heat. Makes it real soft.
I got this piece, those pieces transferred, this inside part transferred. I just gotta take off this now and get this transferred, then I can throw this in the trash. Storage units really don't come with like lights and stuff, but this one got a light and it got a light switch. But when I asked the lady do they got it, they said probably not. But I know one of these stores had lights in it, so I went and bought a light for like $1. I'm gonna put it in there and see if it works. I put a light bulb in, I'm gonna see if the light work. Yeah, the light. It's taking a while to do the roof, simply because I gotta stand in the bed and it's like awkward position, so I gotta stand in. So it's taking forever. I'm almost done with initial body work. So being just glazing the whole thing with Bondo and sanding everything down smooth. But I still got probably about 2 more days of smoothing it down. The top mostly done. All this right here mostly done. Then this mostly done. I still just got this one area here to do. start with the roof first, get everything smooth, prime this area from like about here that way, and the same thing on that side. Then once I get on the roof, come down to this area. This is just a test prime, so I'm gonna take all that back down, smooth it down right there. That's that side. Then top, bottom, repeat on that side. Icing right there, so I can smooth that whole area out. Once I smooth that out, clean all this, mask everything off. This the next day after everything done dried. So I'm gonna set up the camera, guide coat, and see where my low spots and high spots at. That process helped me identify like all the high spots and low spots. Like right here, you can see the black outline. It's a high spot. Then you can see the black outline right here. This is a low spot. And then you can see outlines right here. Outlines right here. All these outlines. Instead of focusing on straight body work, I'm gonna start putting the car together little by little as I do body work. So first I'm gonna start off with the tailgate. The brand new tailgate that I switched the pieces on. So I'm gonna try to get that, align this. Not 100% right now because I ain't got the tools. Well. I got the bolts in, but I ain't paint these, so for this I just gotta put it into this area, this circle right here, so it'll be perfectly aligned for that part. But once I get that done, I gotta adjust these. This one missing. Well, I ain't got this one in there, but I gotta adjust these two for this way, so I can get that aligned right. That's a lot of hot spots on this car, from bad welds, from the welds that been there. So this hot spot, all this hot, and it's like poking out too. So I gotta try to hit these down. I spent 2 hours on today. I'm gonna just keep y'all updated for the whole week. I did this. This was the worst panel on the car. This whole area is the worst panel on the car. But you can see how all this right here is smooth, completely smooth now. So that means all this is right here like dented in somehow, dented in somehow. I'm doing the store run. I got 8 cans of primer, 1 can of this chrome finish, some grits for the sander I just got. This is the smoothest piece of bodywork I ever did. Like, everything smooth. The end of Tuesday, all this primed down. All this primed down too right here. Still gotta finish this. Then take all this right here down. Do that. Still gotta do this side, this whole side. This smooth already. Still do all this. The end of Tuesday, I got the roof primed in. I got this side right here primed in. that was just a process. That was the process of finding all the hot spots. But just put my hand around it, see what hot spots I could feel, and then sand all those hot spots down. Like right here was a hot spot. Right here was a hot spot. Right here was a hot spot, like a little hot wave. Sand all those down smooth. And then I hit it with a 220 to get all the orange pilly old paint off. Like how all this all orange peel. Get it back smooth. So this time when I do it, I get a smooth finish instead of this orange peel finish. It's about 12:45. I mean, it says 9. I got all this primed in. I'm waiting for this to dry. Then we'll go around the whole car and use spot putty, fill in all the little, I don't know if you can see it. I can't even see it on camera. But like all these little pinholes or whatever. Spot putty, filling all those around the whole car. Sand everything down. Let me let that dry. I'm gonna do the whole car on this side. I'm about done with this door. Soon this door back out. Gotta take this lock out so I can finish this part. Then I'm gonna go around the whole car while that dry. I'm at the 5-hour mark for today, Saturday. I'm at the 5-hour mark. I got this door completely done. I got that door completely done. And I got this side and that side done. It's about 1:40. It's about 1:40 right now. I've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning. I just finished all the sanding that I need. I just finished everything, all the edges, everything. Now I just gotta clean the car up and primer all of the metal spots. Primer all those. Let it sit for like an hour, 2 hours. I said 2 hours. Let it sit for like 30 minutes. Then get on that brake booster. Once the brake booster is done, I could take the car out and then head to the shop. I got stuff on the car now because I was working, but I got everything primed in, all the spots primed in. Everything smooth. Everything primed in. But I just realized that, remember when I was saying this panel was the most damaged? That's because this is wrecked. Not just now seeing the damage. I got everything else cleaned up. I closed the other storage, but I got everything in here cleaned up. So this is the damage. When I put the bumper on, I realized that this right here is like pushed in, and you can see like it's pushed in. I didn't realize this till after I finished all the body work. So I'm gonna have to, I guess, find a way to use that with no tools, like heat, torch, hammer, or something to pull this out. That's why this whole area was so bad, and that's why they put a panel right here somewhere. But I had to fix that, smooth that out, a patch panel. And they had bad welds and stuff, so I gotta fix this because on this side is bad. But on this side, it's good. You see the difference? All right, that's the end of part 2 of today's triple header. So at 8 o'clock, be prepared for the last video of today's triple header. That's gonna be the motor, exhaust, brake booster, and everything else like that. So with the body work, I'm gonna end up doing some more body work. I'm gonna end up going over everything that I went over the first time and seeing what low spots, hot spots I still have or don't have to make sure everything 100%. So at least 95%, but mostly 100% because I gotta get that back area finished somewhere, right? Somewhere over there. But that's gonna be some of the last things I do to this car. Right now I'm trying to do all the small tedious stuff like wiring, finish up all the wiring, finish up the underneath, finish up the brakes. I gotta get a new carburetor, but that's for next video. So I'll tell you everything else next video. Remember the last video I mentioned the apparel to help support this build. So I'm gonna put it on the screen again. Put the link in the bio description so you could go order those if you want to get those. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications because this build is still not over yet and you don't want to miss the result.